Computer users often do wrong things that slow down the computer a lot. Some believe that the speed of all computers slows down over time. Although this belief is true, sometimes your behavior also causes the computer to be too slow. Here are some common mistakes that can slow down your computer and some solutions. Follow the WinTrick bot to understand the reason for your computer speed. Like and subscribe, my friend. Run multiple programs simultaneously over time. You install dozens of programs on your computer. These applications can help you with various functions and tasks during the day. You may also have installed several programs on your computer years or months ago, but they do not work today and you have forgotten them. The biggest issue is the programs that run automatically in the background of your computer. This means that such programs take up a lot of RAM, even if you never use them. To solve this problem, be more careful when installing new programs. If you see a checkbox to run an application automatically when you start your computer, be sure to remove it. You can generally prevent these programs from running while your computer is starting up. To do this in Windows 10, use the Ctrl+Shift+S keys to open the Task Manager window. If you only saw the main interface, click on More Details and from there go to the Startup tab and see the active programs when starting Windows. This page contains all the programs that run after you start your computer. This way you can disable programs that you do not need. Failure to restart regularly. Restarting the computer when a problem occurs is a non-professional and common recommendation. Although this helps fix the problem immediately after a reboot, a regular reboot may damage the computer, programs, and execution speed each time you see a problem. Also, never shutting down your computer cannot be the right solution. Restart the problem when the programs you are running on your computer have a memory leak, meaning that the software takes up RAM and does not return it when it is closed and is still occupied by it, will temporarily fix. Windows can also fix some performance issues when you restart your computer. Clicking without thinking. Many websites are a mini field of harmful content and viruses. Fake download buttons and multiple ads that take you to malicious sites can cause many problems on your computer. Even secure downloads are not safe. Although they may not be as problematic as malicious files on your computer, some free programs try to install and run other software on your computer as well. It is better to always know what you are clicking on online pages. Lack of computer care. Windows 10 alone can protect your system more than ever. But it is still not perfect, so you need to make basic settings on your computer from time to time. Deleting temporary folders and files is one solution to this problem. When the system is running, it simultaneously creates folders that are only needed for a short time. This is a normal part of computer performance, but if you allow these files and folders to overlap, they will slow down after a while. This problem occurs faster when you have little storage space and the computer fills up faster. To resolve this issue, you need to enable the Storage Sense option in Windows 10 to help you automatically clear space from temporary folders. To enable this feature, go to Settings, System, Storage. Also search for Disk Cleanup from the Start menu for more settings. The next solution to solve this problem is to run an antivirus program and scan the system. Although your Windows antivirus runs according to schedule, it makes sense to sometimes scan the system yourself with proprietary software. One of the great options for scanning your computer is Malwarebytes because the free version only runs at your request and starts scanning. In addition, Windows needs other scans that are only done when repairing and servicing your computer. These scans include ChakDisk and SFC, but you do not need to do them regularly. The ChakDisk command removes your hard disk from harmful components that affect the performance of your computer. This type of scan is not suitable if you have an SSD card in your device, but if you notice a sudden slowdown in your computer, there is no harm in trying this method. In one of the videos of this channel, we have included a video repair tutorial for Video 10, which you can watch and use that command as well. Video link is included in the description. Inability to distinguish between computer performance speed and internet speed. Sometimes you may mistakenly think that your computer is slow, but the real problem is the speed of your internet connection. If you only have problems accessing different websites, playing online music, or other network-based activities, your internet connection may be down. This can happen even on very powerful computers, and in such cases internet connections should be checked. Like and subscribe, my friend.